Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here to share with you my creations for the It's a Mason Jar Love Affair Hop. This hop is being hosted by Tina, who is Tell Him Thank You here on YouTube. Tina is so just excited, above excited to be hosting her first hop, and she's even more super excited to be sharing with you her love of mason jars. There are 7 of us in the hop, and that includes Tina. All links are in the description box. Please be sure to visit all of the channels, subscribe, and leave a comment. And while you're subscribing, hit that bell so you never miss an upload from these awesome creators. It is a fabulous lineup, and you will be so inspired by checking each one out. Okay, let's start with what I used to create my projects. We had to do 2 projects. So I used these flowers from Michaels. This is paper tray ink twine. Want to Scrap Bling. Pearl trim from Dollar Tree. Ribbon from my stash, as well as this burlap trim. And I am really proud to say that everything that I used was already in my stash. Yay! I received this lace trim from Steph, who is Brown Baby Craftaholic in Happy Mail years ago. She's not on YouTube anymore, but she is on Facebook and Instagram, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I went way back in the stacks for this. I have quite a few of these decorative scissors, had not used them in forever, but I pulled it out for this project. And I also use these paper sacks from Michaels. And the Tim Holtz Skeleton Leaves. That is the name of it, Skeleton Leaves. There are 5 dies in here. And if you like the number, it is 663094. All right. This is also some pearl trim that I used. This and this is a separate piece. Okay. And the papers that I used are from Craftsmith. This is that embossed stack. I absolutely love this paper. Let me show you a couple of the pages. You see I'm keeping my scraps for that. But you can see that one wasn't very good, but you get to see the designs in the paper. All right, so you see those embossed leaves. Really pretty designs. And this is the Amber Autumn stack. I won this many years ago from DCWV in a giveaway. And here I used the Top Dog Mason Jar album die. All right, and then the companion pieces. And I used the lid and this piece. I did not use the banner. Okay. My first creation is a door hanger. I had put out my fall decor on the 1st. Or not the 1st, I'm sorry. My goodness, I'm thinking the 1st, that's next week. I had put it out the 1st day of autumn. And I needed a door hanger, so I decided to create one instead of trying to purchase one. So here's where you see that embossed paper, the burlap trim under here. Here's that lace trim, and this is the pearl trim here, and these are the ones from Dollar Tree. I did not have flowers to show you when I shared what products I used because this was the last of them. I'm thinking this one was from Hobby Lobby. I'm not for certain. And I know that these are from Michaels. These are left from a set of flowers that I had purchased from them. So I pulled those out to use those. And you can see some of the words here: thankful, fall. This was pumpkin pie, sugar and spice. And I took the trims to the back. There's November, blessed, love. Beautiful paper. So this is my first project. I absolutely love how this turned out. So it will be hanging on my door. And then the second one got a little more colorful with this one. And this is a treat bag. Let me give you the view. There's that bag from Michaels. And you can see this embossed paper. Is that not gorgeous? And I didn't bring the sheet I used for this, but it was a single sheet of paper that I had. It was gray, and I took a file and just filed along the paper, along the die cut, to make it a little more rustic. All right, and here is the twine, here and here, and the flowers. These are the skeleton leaves. Did those not turn out gorgeous out of this glitter paper? They are beautiful. This piece is from the Amber Autumn Stack. And here's the Want to Scrap Bling. When you saw it, it was clear. I didn't have the color that I needed, so I took a Copic marker. And I love the effect that it has. Some of the bling pieces are darker than others. But I absolutely love that. So I have instant gift packaging here. Just add some shred and I'm good to go. I love how both of these turned out. Oh, sorry about that. And this does stand alone. Once you put the pieces, put that bag in there, it stands alone. Love it. So those are my projects. Thank you all for stopping by and watching. And remember, check the links in the description box. Thank you, Tina, for inviting me. I really had fun creating these. And I am certainly going to enjoy all the creations that I see. And I know that I'll be inspired and all of you will be inspired. Happy crafting, everyone.